Okay guys, this is the tutorial number 2 of this week. But first, if you have one of these issues, one of these problems, for example, that you have two bones instead of one, you can see one here. I'm going to the pose mode. You can see one here, but here you have two. So that's a problem. Or maybe you have this kind of problem that you started the human body, the bones, left side, and then you continue the legs right side. Go to the how to fix bones tutorial and then you come back to this one. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this one I'm going to show you how to make him dance. So I'm gonna put the music. I downloaded the Macarena. You know the Macarena, right? I went to the video sequence editor. I have here, I added the sound, the MP3 here. So I go back to the 3D view, and if I play, I can listen to the Macarena. Okay. Okay. I need to erase this movement, yes, because I don't need it. Alt I by here, Alt I by. Okay, so I need to move bone by bone. So I go to the timeline 0. This is the beginning. So I log the scale. I go to 30, and I move my bone, and I save the movement. Log the scale. I'll do the same with this one. Go to 0. To save the animation, log raw scale. I go to 30. I move this one, and I save with log raw scale. Okay. Now I go to this one in 30. This is my first movement. I save it, log raw scale. I go to 60, and I move it. Sorry, like this. Log raw scale. The same with this one. I go to 30. I save the movement, log raw scale. Go to 60. I move it. Save the animation, log raw scale. Okay. By the moment I have this one. Yes. Okay. Here I'm gonna move the hips, okay, like that. So I go to 60, and I move like this. Okay, first I save the movement, the first one, log raw scale, and I go to 80. I move it like this. I save. I go to 100, go to the other way, and I save, log raw scale. So by now I have this. So I'm gonna now move my legs. I don't know if the Macarena dancing is like that, but I don't care. It's just an animation with the movements. So I have my last movement is in 100, so I'm gonna move this. I save the animation, log raw scale. 120. I'm gonna move this one. Oops, no. This one. I'm gonna save it, and I'm gonna move like this. Save it. 140, and I'm gonna move it again like this. I save with log raw scale. Okay, and I finish here moving log raw scale and log raw scale. So let's check. Okay, I'm gonna finish my movements here, so I'm gonna put it straight in 160. So I move it like this. I save the animation with iLogBro Scale. I'm gonna move this one too. iLogBro Scale, and this one I move it again. iLogBro Scale, and then I'm gonna finish with my arms straight. iLogBro Scale. The same with this one. I'm gonna move with G, and I save the animation, LogBro Scale. So let's check my Macarena. Okay, I need something better. I don't like mine, but it's just an example of how to do it. I need a human body that you finished last week and put music and make him dance to the rhythm of the music. Yeah, so try it at least. So check that you move each bone one by one. Each yellow stick mean that you have a movement. Don't forget to go to the video sequence editor and add the music, okay? And finally, when you finish, when you have the animation, don't forget to put the camera pointing to your objects. Yeah, you can press N and then lock and put the camera view in 0, and now you are pointing to the object. Then don't forget to change the light. You can use the environment lighting, and when you take a picture you can see perfect light. Again, you can put a plane, you can put a background with an image like a disco, I don't know, whatever. You can improve it, be creative. And the way to save the animation and send it to me as an animation, as an MP4, remember, is change here the PNG for a movie format, MPEG video, change the destination folder in output instead of TMP. You can choose documents, desktop, whatever. And when you finish, when you have the light, you take a picture and you like it, go to animation, yes, and wait until finish the animation. Yeah, and don't forget that you have music, so you must put here in encoding instead of none in audio codec MP3, and then again animation. When you finish, it's not a design contest, remember, just send it to me. You have until this Friday. Okay, thank you and see you next week.